Okay guys, welcome to Bashka, and this is our reception where our manager and cashier are staying during our working time. Here in Bashka, we have three zones: the billiard zone, the solitaires table zone, and the rooms. We have 11 billiards, including one snooker table, and each billiard costs 42 real per hour and 21 real every 30 minutes. And for snooker, 52 real per hour and 26 real every 30 minutes. And every billiard have its what is this? Every billiard have screen timer above so that the customers will see how many minutes are left for their time or how many hours they spend. And also every billiard have a button or color. This one, color button, and also our waiter are always wearing this watch for color so that if the customers need us, if they need order or if they need something, they are just going to press this color button and our watch will beeping like that. So now I will cancel and I'm going to take you to the solitaire table. And now we are here in our solitaire zone. We have 9 tables, and this is what we call minimum charge. Every person will be charged 32 real every weekdays and 42 real every weekends, including its tax. And here in solitaire, you can play cards. We have Uno, we have chess, we have Jackaroo, and dominoes like that. And also here in solitaire zones, we have 3 PlayStation tables. This one. But this is not for minimum charge. This is for per hour. 1 hour 42 real and 21 real 30 minutes. And it's not take note, it's not a minimum charge, not like here in the solitaire tables that it's minimum charge means in your 40 real you can order anything, drinks, foods, anything you can order. You can use that 40 real for any foods or drinks. And also for this solitaire table, you can stay here as long as we are open because this is unlimited time. And now I'm going to show you our room zone. And now we are in the room zone. We have 10 rooms and 1 VIP. This is our VIP, 160 per hour. And inside the rooms, we have billiards, we have solitaire table, and we have PlayStations. And also here in VIP, while you are playing PlayStations, you can also what is this? You can also listening music through your mobile, and you can use your playlist using your mobile and Bluetooth in our sound system, because here in this room it is surrounded speakers so that you can enjoy your stay. So now my duty is done, so I'm going to sign out. That's it. I'm now leaving, so I'm going to show you outside because it's a very beautiful views and it's a sunset. And goodbye, Bashka. and see you tomorrow. Here is Fantasia, guys, and this yellow building is the, and this is Fantasia. And for the people who don't, and to those who didn't visit Bashka yet, and to those who don't know where is Bashka located at, so this is the famous landmark here that you can find Bashka easily. First is the seaside of Cornet, the Red Sea, and that is the floating mosque, or Al-Rahma Masjid. And to those who don't know where is Bashka located at, so this is the famous landmark here near in our shop. First is the Al-Rahma Masjid. Yes, this is what they call the floating mosque. And to those people who didn't visit Bashka yet, and to those who people don't know where is Bashka located at, so this is the famous landmark here near in our shop. First, Bashka is located inside the Fantasia restaurants. Maybe you are familiar about these restaurants, right? And second one is the Al-Rahma Masjid. This is what they call the floating mosque beside the Red Sea, and that's it. So it's easy for you to find this location because there are lot of landmarks that you can search on Google. That's it, and goodbye, because I'm going home, because my duty is done, and I'm going to take rest because I didn't sleep very well last night. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos, and thank you.